Hello everyone, I am myself Mahesh and my teammates Nikhil, Kapil, Harsha. Today our project is about microwave oven simulation, and my teammate Nikhil will continue from next side.
My name is Nikhil. Now I'm going to continue. Topics learned during the internship: introduction to C, conditional statements, loops like for loop, while loop, do while loop, and operations, arrays and pointers, functions and strings, storage classes, introduction to embedded systems and microcontrollers, MPLAB X IDE, XC8 compiler, PIC introduction to various peripherals of PIC 16F877A, interfacing various peripherals of PIC 16F877A, giving multiple quizzes and DISA workshop. Contents: what is embedded system? Characteristics of embedded system: microcontroller versus microprocessor. What is microwave oven? Requirements: PIC similar architecture, PIC similar PIC 16F877A, microcontroller, CLCAD, matrix keypad, timers, project implementation. First, what is embedded systems? An embedded system is a combination of computer hardware and software designed for a specific function. Examples of embedded systems: automobiles, mobile phones, medical testing systems. Different types of embedded systems: real time embedded systems, standard embedded system, network embedded systems, mobile embedded systems. Characteristics of embedded system: single function executes one program repeatedly. Example: printer always do printing. Tightly constrained. Tight constraints on design matrices. Those are cost, size, performance, and power. Reactive and real time. Continually reacts to changes in the system's environment. Must compute certain results in real time without delay. Now, my friend Mahesh will continue.
Hello everyone. Now I am explaining about my difference between microcontroller and microprocessor. A microcontroller is a controlling device where the memory and input output components are present internally. A microprocessor is a processor where the memory and input output components are connected externally. Microcontrollers are present on chip memory. The circuit is less complex. The circuit in microprocessor circuit is more complex due to external connections. Microcontrollers are efficient, microprocessors are not efficient. Microcontrollers have more number of registers, microprocessors have less number of registers. Microcontrollers are generally used in washing machines and air conditioners. Microprocessors are generally used in personal computers. Microcontrollers are used for specific purpose applications. Microprocessors are used for general purpose applications. Uh, what is microwave? Microwave is used to heat food using electromagnetic waves. There are various modes in microwave oven, but we are going to implement the following modes only. They are micro mode, grill mode, convection mode, and start grill mode. Some microwave ovens come with a grill element. In this mode, the grill heats up to uh, cook or brown the top layer of the food. It's useful for giving a crispy texture for the surface of dishes. Convection mode. Microwave ovens with convection capabilities have a fan and a heating element. In convection mode, the fan circulates hot air and the heating element cooks the food. This mode is similar to a traditional oven and is suitable for baking, roasting, and crisping. Micro mode. This is the standard mode where the microwave emits microwaves to cook or heat food. Microwaves exit water molecules in the food, generating heat and cooking the food. Start mode. It is used to start the function by the user. Requirements: we used MPLAB X IDE, XC8 compiler, PIXSimLab. In PIXSimLab, we used PIC16 F877A, 16 by 4 LCD display, tactile switch, MKP timer 2. Uh, my friend Harsha will continue from next slide.
Hello everyone, I will explain the PIC SimLab architecture. PIC 16F877A consists of GPIO, 12C RTC, EPROM, LM35 TEM sensor, ADC, RS232, LEDs, buzzer, digital keyboard, SSD, matrix keyboard, CLCD. So this is the PIC SimLab simulator. So CLCD is the character liquid crystal display. In PIC SimLab, there are two types of display: 16 by 2 display, 16 by 4 display. It displays the ASCII character and some special characters. It is the most commonly used display. Two types of communication modes: 4-bit mode, 8-bit mode. MKP matrix keypad is a keypad in which number of tactile switches are connected in a row and column concept. This is used when more number of user inputs are required and still want to save some controller input-output lines. These keyboards are most commonly used in telephones, calculators, digital keyboard, lockers, etc. Timers. Timers is the most important application in any embedded system, which is default peripheral which maintains the timing of operation in the sync with a system clock of an external clock. It has many applications such as measuring time and generating delays, etc. Counter is a software designed to count the time intervals between the events. Resolution, which is also called register with 8 or 16 bit. So my friend Kapil will explain the demonstration of the microwave oven.
Hello everyone, this is Kapil. Now I'm going to demonstrate a micro oven project in Pixim Lab. And this is the Pixim Lab, and we have Pic Genius board here, and we are choosing PIC 16F877A microcontroller, and we have to load hex file for it. And this is the hex file, and now we are opening it. And now micro oven is on, and we have here 4 options: micro, grill, convection, and start. And we can adjust the clock speed here. Like now I'm keeping 10 megahertz. Now this is the cooler, and these are the switches, and this is a buzzer. And now I'm on in the micro, and it is consuming 900 watts of power. And here we can adjust time. We have to set the time in minutes and seconds. Now I am keeping 10 seconds, and we can clear it by using pressing star. And now I'm setting the timer by clicking hash symbol. See, and now micro oven start. And we can resume, pause, and stop the oven. See, after completing it, display the message. Next, again we have 4 options. Now I'm going to choose grill option, and I'm going to set the timer for 5 seconds. See, if I press 5, it will pause, and again it will start. Now I'm I'm choosing convection mode. Now here we have to set the temperature, and maximum temperature is 100 degrees Celsius, and now I am keeping 50, and it will take like 30 seconds, and you can stop it on. I'm starting the micro oven. So if I press 6, it will stop working. And this is the simulation of microwave oven. Thank you.